What is living? When we try to understand what makes something living, we usually think of certain signs or features that all living things show. Some common features of living things are growth, they increase in size or number. Reproduction, they produce more of their kind. Sensitivity, they can feel their surroundings and react. Metabolism, they carry out chemical processes. Self-replication, they can copy themselves. Self-organization, they manage and organize themselves. Interaction, they interact with the environment or other organisms. Emergence, new features can appear when many simple parts work together. Let's understand growth in more detail. All living things grow. Growth means increase in size or number. In multicellular organisms, like humans, animals, and plants, growth happens through cell division. Cells divide and the body gets bigger. In plants, this growth continues throughout their life. In animals, growth usually stops after a certain age, though some body parts, like skin or blood cells, still get replaced. Unicellular organisms, like bacteria, also grow by dividing into two cells. This can be seen under a microscope. Growth and reproduction are not always the same. In big plants and animals, growth and reproduction are separate processes. Just growing doesn't mean the organism is reproducing. For example, you may grow taller, but that's not reproduction. Non-living things can also grow. Mountains, sand dunes, and rocks can grow in size, but in a different way. Their size increases by collecting materials on the outside, not by internal processes. This means their growth is external, not like living things where growth happens from inside. So, is growth a sure sign of life? No, because non-living things also show growth. But in living things, growth happens in a very special way, from inside the body, using energy and processes like cell division. Also, dead organisms do not grow. Conclusion. So, growth alone cannot prove something is living. But if we study how the growth happens, like internal cell division, then it becomes a useful sign of life.